Community Reinvestment Act. Let's discuss this federal law, the Community Reinvestment Act. The Community Reinvestment Act was actually enacted by Congress in the early 1977, and it's been updated a few times, but the primary purpose of this law is intended to encourage depository institutions, bank and savings institutions, to help meet the credit needs of the community in which they operate. So again, the purpose of the law is to push depository institutions, banks and savings and loan companies to meet the credit needs of the communities in which they operate. What was going on is that you have banks. They were popping up on almost every corner in every neighborhood, but they would not give loans to the individuals in those particular neighborhoods. They would take their money for checking and savings account, but when it came time to give them a mortgage, a loan, an auto loan, a line of credit, they wouldn't credit. They would say the people in this community don't qualify for credit with us. And what the CFPB decided to do in Congress, they said that if you're going to be in these communities, you have to help meet the credit needs of the people in the community. You just can't use their money for checking and savings account. And if for some reason they don't qualify for a mortgage loan, an auto loan, or a line of credit, what are you doing to kind of help them? Are there any homeowner seminars? Are there any credit repair seminars? Are there any workshops to kind of help the people in the community? The whole purpose of this law is if these banks and institutions are going to be in the various communities, they have to, in some kind of way, give back to help meet the credit needs of the community. Now, I don't want you to get this mixed up with HMDA. The purpose of HMDA is to help meet the housing needs of the community. This is the Community Reinvestment Act. The purpose of this law is to help meet the credit needs of the communities. So keep that right. HMDA deals with the housing needs, but the Community Reinvestment Act deals with the credit needs of the community.